Hello. Today we will be experimenting with different types of powders used in Replica Flour Land Mines to find out which is best. They are flour, dust, coffee creamer, and powdered charcoal, known to the readers of Safety Second as smoke powder. To make a landmine, take a handful of the selected powder and place it on the ground. Insert a firecracker into this, straight up and down. Reform the flour or powder around the firecracker and smooth it over if desired. If you were doing this on a grassy or bouncy surface, place a tin can lid underneath this. You can also make multi-explosion landmines. To do this, you basically take a single piece of large fuse and tape the fuses of 3 firecrackers onto this, so that the fuses of the 3 firecrackers are touching the main piece of fuse. When you light the main piece of fuse, it will light the fuses of the 3 firecrackers and go off with 3 explosions, thus a multi-explosion landmine. Here we have the 4 landmines laid out, from left to right. Flour, dust, coffee creamer, and smoke powder. We will now be testing these to see which does the best. First up is our flour landmine. Classical, cheap, and easy to find, it is the #1 landmine staple. There we have it. Next up is our dust landmine. Dirt cheap, it is incredibly inexpensive, though its one downside is that it never catches fire when the firecracker goes off. That was a real blaster. This is our coffee creamer landmine. Though it is the most expensive, it is often used because of its tendency to cause a large ball of flame instead of a cloud of smoke. Let's see if it does. No, it didn't. Last, but certainly not least, is our charcoal powder landmine. It is favored by many because of its cloud of dense black smoke, though it is very labor-intensive to make. Whoa! That was cool! We will now test our multi-explosion landmine. We are using flour because we had the most of it left over. Here we go. That was certainly unexpected. The votes are in. Our favorite was the charcoal powder landmine. We chose it because of its dense black smoke, which hung like a fog in the air. We hope you enjoyed our landmine tutorial video. Please like and subscribe.